That is perimeter.
What is area?
Well, lucky for you, I have it written down on my whiteboard. Perimeter is the distance around a polygon. So if you have a rectangle, which is our polygon, the width will give W, and the length will be L. So perimeter is 2 times the length, bottom and the top, plus 2 times the width, the left and the right. Or we can simplify it to 2 times the length plus the width. Area is the number of square units that cover a closed figure. So using the same rectangle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square units that cover the closed figure. Or, since length and width are measured in units, you can multiply them together. So, area is length times width.
But miss, when are we going to use this in real life?
Well, why don't we do a real life example right now using this room? Here, measure the length and the width.
Alright, let's start with the length. Looks like it's 18 feet 4 inches.
We'll now measure the width.
Alright, here you go. And scooting over a little bit. Good deal. Looks like we're at 11 feet 4 inches.
But what about the bar?
Well, the bar's not part of the room, so we're going to measure around it.
Okay, let's measure. Jordan? What is it, Jordan?
Looks like 3 feet 2 inches. Alright, we need to go with the other side. Length.
This
What do we
one
got?
looks like 6 feet 6 inches.
Now that we have our measurements, we are going to convert them all into inches. That way they're all the same. So 6 times 12 is 72. 3 times 12 is 36. 18 times 12 is 216. And 11 times 12 is 132. And now I'm going to add these to the respective lengths or measurements that we have. So then if I add 132 and 4, this length is now 136 inches. This side will then become 220 inches. This length will be 78. And this side will become 38 inches. Now we can figure out this length and this length by doing some more math by subtracting the other two. Okay. 220 minus 78 is 142. And 136 minus 38 is 98. So now we are able to add up all of these numbers to find the perimeter of this room. And then we're going to convert it back to feet.
So when we add all the dimensions together, you get 596 inches. So when we convert it back, you get 596 inches. You have 12 inches in 1 foot. So when you divide, you get 49 feet and 8 inches. So we're going to take the area of the big rectangle and subtract the area of the little rectangle since this isn't part of our room. So 136 inches times 220 inches is 29,920 inches squared because we're working in square units. And then 38 inches times 78 inches is 2,964 inches squared. So we subtract the 2, and you get 26,956 inches squared. So when we convert it back, we have 26,956 inches squared. There are 144 square inches in 1 square foot. Which gives you 187 square feet. And 28 square inches. So that's perimeter and area in a real life setting.
Thanks, Miss Crawford. You're the best.
Woo!
Are we rolling or what?
Perimeter is the distance around a polygon.
Sorry, I
But Miss, when are we gonna Miss, when are we gonna use this in real life?
Well, let's do a real life example right now. Measure the length and width of this room.
All right, let's do length first. You Derek.
Why did you record? Well, what about the bar?
Crap, what were we gonna do? So that's area.
Ah!